Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about four hospitals that are under construction in Jamaica. Now, these four hospitals are costing billions of dollars. The government is investing billions in the development of these hospitals. So when we make these videos about the highways and the roads and the buildings, we always get the comment, what about hospitals, schools, other infrastructure? So today we are going to go through an article that gives more information on what the government is doing. But in Western Jamaica, St. James, the Cornwall Regional Hospital is literally being rebuilt. Over $14 billion is being spent to rebuild that hospital. And they're also building a children's hospital over in St. James, in Montego Bay. In Spanish Town, where you have one of the largest populations in Jamaica outside the city of Kingston, they are rebuilding the Spanish Town Hospital. Mega project. I mean, billion-dollar project. And in Portmore, they're going to build a hospital. That one will be, I'm not sure if it's a clinic that they're going to upgrade to a hospital or they're going to build a new one. So the two cities in Jamaica are Kingston and Montego Bay. In Kingston, you have the University of the West Indies Hospital, which is the largest hospital in Jamaica. And in Montego Bay, you have the Cornwall Regional Hospital. So they're working on both of those. Then you find the largest population in Jamaica is the city of Kingston, and then Portmore and Spanish Town. So they're rebuilding the Spanish Town Hospital, and they're going to build one in Portmore. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what the government is doing. Government Senator Abba Fitzhenley says the government has been working assiduously and making gains in improving service delivery in the health sector. He noted that $14 billion has been invested in upgrading Western Jamaica's premier medical care institution, the Cornwall Regional Hospital, and more than $6 billion on expansion work at several other facilities, including the Spanish Town Hospital and the University of the West Indies. This administration has pumped millions of dollars into building Type 5 clinics across the country, including at Painland, and to assist the good people of Portmore, our soon-to-be parish number 15. We are upgrading approximately a dozen clinics across the country because we care about the level of comfort of the citizens of Jamaica, Senator Fitzhenley said. He further mentioned the construction of the Western Children's Adolescent Hospital in St. James, which is being funded by the governments of Jamaica and the People's Republic of China. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think about these hospitals, and we will give you the actual footage of the progress being made at these facilities.